Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. Your iPhone runs iOS 14. 3 years later, you're signed into Apple ID and Bluetooth Plus location services are on. Once done, insert the Chipolo battery and press its pairing button until it flashes. You do this because Find My needs the device to broadcast. Next, unlock your phone and keep it near the Chipolo so the phone detects its BLE signal. Make sure Do Not Disturb won't block pairing notifications. Continue when you see the prompt. You should open the Find My app and tap the Items tab to add a new accessory. Once the phone detects the Chipolo, tap Add Item and follow the on-screen prompts. This registers the accessory to your Apple ID. During setup, grant location permission so the tag reports its location and give the item a clear name so you find it later. If asked, confirm device settings and allow notifications. This ensures you receive separation alerts and location updates when the Chipolo moves. You'll finish by verifying the Chipolo appears under Items and shows a current or recent location. Test the Find sound to confirm communication. Make sure notifications and lost mode are enabled so you get alerts if it's out of range. If you don't see the device, restart your phone, reinsert the Chipolo battery, and repeat pairing. If that fails, reset the Chipolo per its manual and try again. One key tip: toggling Bluetooth off and on often resolves discovery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.